हेलो फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार। कैसे हैं आप लोग? आशा करता हूँ आप सब लोग अच्छे होंगे और घर पर या बाहर जहाँ पर भी काम कर रहे होंगे अच्छे तरीके से। लॉकडाउन जैसे खुल गया है तो आप देखें कि अब लॉकडाउन खुलने के बाद हम कुछ रबड़ बैंड्स के साथ में कैसे मॉडल जो है रबड़ बैंड को लेकर पार्क में स्ट्रेचिंग वगैरह एक्सरसाइज वगैरह करते हैं हमारा मॉडल। और आपको अगर अच्छा लगता है तो उसे लाइक करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए, कमेंट करिए और प्लीज़ हमारा और हमारे मॉडल्स का आप जो है थोड़ा उत्साह बढ़ाइए। फिटेड 45।
Welcome you here. I will show you different kind of resistance band right now. This is the resistance band, most versatile, most without any strength, anybody can use it. This is used by everybody. You want to start it, this will not cost you much in 300 to 350 rupees Indian national rupees INR. Okay, this is the thing which you should get and you keep using it. Thereafter there are others depending upon the strength of it. Now after this blue one we have got this green one. This green one is having a bit more strength, maybe 20 kg more than that. This is also good but not as good as the blue one, the earlier one. Then thereafter, after this is yellow. The strength, the weight which it can hold increases from 10 to 15 kg every time. You can use it any way you like. This can be used anything, anywhere. Look, the difference between a dumbbell and a resistance band is when you assuming it's a dumbbell, so the strength is here, no, but in resistance band the strength is at the peak. When you will do a look, it's here, it's on the top of it when you are feeling the most when you are feeling it. It's the peak of it. It's the peak of it. But whereas in a dumbbell you feel it here initially there is no peak. It becomes easier here in the dumbbell, and it's very difficult to carry dumbbell anywhere. I can fix it in any bag anywhere and just take it anywhere I like. I can go in a flight, I can go in a train, I can take this to a hotel room, anywhere I like. I can use it the way I like. The single band can give me a full body workout anyway, which I am going to show you in other videos. But right now I'm just telling you if you can get it. Resistance band is everything. Look, you are not feeling like doing anything. It's the stretch of it which you feel like. I don't know what kg it is. It must be 25 something. 25. This is 45. Red is 45. Red is 45. This is 45. This is 45. You can use it in a sit-up also. Fix it like this. Fix it like this. And now fix it like this. You can use a deadlift also. You can do anything way you like. There's hardly any exercise which you can't do with this. You can do anything, any weight you like, anywhere you like. Carry anywhere you like. This is, if you want to take an entire set, it's going to cost you 5,000 something, and this is the entire set of it. This is 65 kg. You want to do a pull-up, you just don't feel like doing a pull-up, take it, fix it, do a pull-up anytime. I'm not feeling like, I'm already tired, okay? I'm already tired, but I still have a strength. My muscles have strength to do this.
आप देख रहे हैं कि किस तरीके से सलमान जो हैं वो रबड़ लगाकर किस तरीके से देखिए, हमेशा जैसे आपको हमेशा कहा गया है कि वार्म अप जो है वो हमेशा देखें किस तरीके से ये सारे रबड़ बैंड हैं जिनका इस्तेमाल आप कर सकते हैं।
see, this is why.
You can see how twist of body is required to warm up it. This is pull up. You know, pull ups are the most tough exercise of humankind, and with the support of rubber band
हमारे अभी रात को घर पे आए, उन्होंने कहा कि एक वीडियो शूट करके दिखाओ। मेरी सुबह की शाम की ट्रेनिंग हो चुकी है, तो सर के लिए मैं आया हूँ स्पेशल। लेट्स सी व्हाट एट फिट एट 45 व्हाट कैन आई डू फॉर फिट एट 45 टुडे। आई रियली वांट टू हेल्प एवरीबडी, all those young guys who are want to be tall, want to have look. When you are very young, you do not look for strength. Strength will automatically come later on. When muscle maturity will come, muscle will obviously hold strength. Right now what you need is agility. You need stretching. Look, the more you grow old later on, your flexibility will decrease. So if you will have good flexibility right now, like you will increase flexibility, you cannot achieve later on. It is only your young age when you can do, like gymnast. You can't just become a gymnast at any age. You need to be at a very early in your age to be a gymnast, to have that flexibility in your muscle, in your body. So flexibility को achieve करो. All those people who are very old, above 45, they should also look for flexibility first. You know, don't need much strength in your life. Strength is just so that you can walk and run. That is all strength you want, and it is more flexibility what you want. I am already tired, but I will see what I can do today. Muscle fatigue is already there, but I will try to do something. Fit at 45. Let's see what I can do today. This is for what? This is the resistance band. This is for the beginner. This is even for advanced level also. What is required? What is required is repetition and the form. To get a proper form, if you lack strength, this is the thing. This is the thing which will help you out. This is going to give you 15 repetition, 25 repetition, which you can't get otherwise. This is for everything. You are not feeling like working out. This resistance band, you are just here to enjoy. Keep coming to enjoy. Not much strength is required. Now we are going to do pull up and push up repetitions without a break. We will try to do it without a break. Let's start. Ten each. Proper form. Explosion. Explosive. Explosion up. Control here. Explode. Control here. Explode. control, explode, control, explode, control. Explode, explode. Scientifically, your height can only, you can gain only height till you are 18, till you are in your teens. After teens, you will not increase your height. This is the only time when you can increase your height. And to increase your height, you need to grow your legs. Your upper body may not increase as much as your legs. So to increase the longevity, the length of the legs, you need this exercise. You need to latko ulta. But latko ulta how? Not from your knees, from here. And keep your caution. Okay? You will fail, you will injure yourself. Okay? I may have injured you. I'm already tired with the workout. I should have shown you up in the start. But this is the thing which you have understood, no? We are not going to stop like this. Whenever you are into bodybuilding, you are into workout, you will not just stop. You will keep doing something. The way you warm up and then start, the same way you should stop. Okay? Same. The purpose is to keep moving. Keep moving your body. Keep. It's a lifestyle. It's a lifestyle. Already tired. Already tired. Already tired. Small muscle. Bicep is a small muscle. You want to start Do bigger muscles first. Thigh, then back, then chest. Thigh is the biggest muscle. It has the biggest strength, the most strength, and if you want to lose weight, you want to lose calories more, use the biggest muscle. Biggest muscle. Biggest muscle. This is the biggest muscle. This is the biggest muscle. This is the biggest muscle. Rest is stretching. I'll show you stretching later now. Stretch. Just don't stop. Feel the stretch. Feel the stretch. Feel the stretch. Feel the stretch. Feel the stretch here. Feel the stretch. कुछ नहीं करना, हल्की फुल्की स्किपिंग कर लेते हैं. Not feeling like, but okay. Let's see. Already tired. You should have come up in the morning.
कैसे हैं आप लोग? अभी आपने वीडियो देखी जिसमें मॉडल ने कुछ तरीके की स्ट्रेचिंग वगैरह आपको दिखाई है. अब लॉकडाउन खुल गया है तो हम भी काम पे लगे हुए हैं. देखिए हम लोग अपना कंप्यूटर पे कुछ काम देख रहे हैं और उसी हिसाब से आप लोग भी अपना काम कर रहे होंगे, लेकिन अपने जितनी भी आपकी व्यवस्था है उससे आपको थोड़ा सा समय निकाल कर और पार्क में जाके घर पे फ्री हैंड कोई भी एक्सरसाइज करें. और आप देखिए कि अभी तो आपने सिर्फ स्ट्रेचिंग वगैरह का कुछ टेलर देखा है. अगली वीडियो में कुछ टाइम बाद हम आपको पूरी पिक्चर दिखाते हैं इसकी. तब तक साथ में रहे हमारे Fit at 45.